Nakakatuwang tingnan, of course, na from a humble beginning, from a 20 square meter processing facility, now to a 1,000 square meter processing facility in a matter of 8 years. So that is something na talagang we are very thankful na na-achieve namin.
Sa kabila ng kanyang pag-unlad, nanatiling simple at hindi nakalimutang pasalamatan ang mga sumuporta sa kanyang idea at kakayahan.
Don't forget those people who supported you, especially nung maliit ka pa lang. Hanggang sa lumaki yung company. Thankful ako sa mga kaibigan ko noon na talagang sumuporta nagsimula. Sila yung talagang bumibili, no? Family and friends. Sila yung harshest critic actually mo eh. Pero actually, yung binibigay nilang komento is actually, those are hard truths, no? They will give you an honest advice. Minsan, ang hirap tanggapin dahil pinaghirapan mo. But you have to face it actually.
Panoorin ang full video sa ating YouTube channel, Agree sa Agri. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and subscribe.